Aquarius, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a love reading. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. This is not a one-to-one reading, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Thank you, Aquarius. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Tingnan natin how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Ano nangyayari sa inyong love situation or romantic situation, Aquarius? Aquarius. Okay. Yeah. Knight of Cups. Okay. Aquarius, merong someone, okay? Siguro someone na merong special na nararamdaman sa inyo, interesado sa inyo, may gusto siya sa inyo, okay? You have a secret admirer for some of you. Someone is interested in you. Okay? Tingnan natin. Page of Swords. Yeah, your person wants, parang gusto kang kausapin ng person mo. Okay? Gusto nila mag-communicate. Yung iba ay they are spying. They want to know about you. They are researching about you. Parang gusto nila malaman kung anong nangyayari sa inyo, Aquarius. What is Page of Swords? Yeah, King of Cups. Yeah, they are very interested in you. Gusto nila malaman kung ano yung mga whereabouts mo. Most especially, your relationship. Okay? Someone younger is interested in you. The Fool. Yeah. They are open to possibilities with you, Aquarius. Yeah. Maybe, yeah, you Aquarius, maybe you are someone na hindi ka ganun ka-expressive sa inyong nararamdaman. Okay? Hindi ka vocal. You are mature or older than this person. Okay? They are interested in you. Yeah. Someone is willing to explore. Willing silang i-explore yung kanilang feelings about you. They want to take a chance with you. Okay? Two of Pentacles, bakit yung Two of Pentacles? Yeah, so pero yung person na to, yung person mo is nagdadalawang isip, okay? Na tawagan ka or makipag-communicate sa inyo or to make the initiative, okay? Na gumawa ng action towards you. Yeah. Okay? Yung parang, siguro parang nahihiya. Okay, na i-approach ka or lumapit sa inyo. Ayan. Yeah, Page of Cups, yes. Yeah, gusto nila makipag-communicate, okay? Gusto nila magkaroon ng or nag-initiate ng conversation with you through text, okay? Or calls. Parang nagde-decide sila, no? Nagdadalawang isip or nag-iisip kung paano i-approach ka. Okay? But they are really interested in you. Younger than you. Okay? The Temperance. Tingnan natin. The Temperance. Yeah. Six of Swords. Okay? So, this person, parang ayaw niya na mag-cause ng chaos or gulo sa inyong sitwasyon, if ever. So, maybe this person, this is a new person entering your life, Aquarius. But at the same time, they know, because this one, there is a mother and a child. Okay? Yeah. They want to communicate with you, how to gusto nila express kung anong nararamdaman nila sa inyo, magpaparamdam. But they know that you are a King of Cups. Okay? Maybe you are a father already. Okay? You are a father figure. Yeah. So they are tempering themselves. Okay? Ayaw nilang, for some of you, ayaw nilang i-distract ka or to bother you at the same time. Okay? So, parang nagdadalawang isip yung person kung paano kanya i-approach. But they are interested in you. Yes, Eight of Pentacles. Yeah. Maybe this person is na-meet mo to or kasama mo to sa work. Okay. Eight of Pentacles. Tingnan natin. Yeah. Or maybe this person, for some of you, gusto nilang makipag-ayos sa inyo. Okay? They want to work things out with you. Okay? It depends on your situation. Just take what resonates for you. Yeah. Or instead of bothering you, they just want to focus na lang sa kanilang trabaho or sa kanilang ginagawa. Okay? They are tempering their feelings. Okay? Parang nagko-hold back. Binabalanse nila ang kanilang emosyon at ang kanilang isip towards you. Okay? Because they don't want to distract you or they don't want to bother you or ayaw nilang manggulo sa inyo. Okay? Something like that. That's the energy. Death or rebirth. Okay? The Devil, the Two of Cups. Okay? This is something unhealthy relationship. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, Aquarius, you are tempted to communicate with this person, to indulge in unhealthy relationship or activity. Okay? You know, you are aware that it is not good in your situation. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Maybe for some of you, you are obsessed with this younger person. Aquarius. Okay? This is something unhealthy. Unhealthy attachment, unhealthy relationship. Five of Pentacles. You have Three of Wands. Okay? Unfortunately, if you're going to continue with this person, medyo mahihirapan kayo when it comes to expansion. Walang further development. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Someone is left out in the cold. Maybe someone is waiting for you. Okay? Yeah. Or maybe this person is not communicating with you. Yes. Kasi he or she is deciding. Okay? Parang nag-iisip siya kung i-communicate ka niya or hindi, makikipag-contact sa'yo. Yeah. 3 of Wands, 4 of Pentacles, yes. He or she is holding back on communicating with you, Aquarius. Okay? Yeah. Maybe for some of you, Aquarius, you have problem when it comes to your finances. Maybe you are giving money to this person or you're spending money with this person. Okay? And right now, maybe there is insufficiency or lack of money for you to move on with this person. Okay? And to do exciting things with him or her. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo walang kakayahan to proceed further in the situation. Aside from this is unhealthy relationship, there is also insufficiency of funds or resources. Yeah, for some of you, hindi ka tinatawagan, hindi nagko-communicate para iparamdam sa'yo that they want to continue with you. Okay? Kaya nadi-disappoint ka. Merong disappointment. So, just take what resonates for you. It's either you, ikaw to, Aquarius, or it's the other person. Okay, parang I kept on saying Sagittarius. Maybe you're dealing with someone who is a Sagittarius or Sagittarius. Okay, a fire sign. You're dealing with a fire sign. Okay. So, King of Swords. Yes, now you are thinking about your situation. You are dealing with two situations or two people. You need to make a decision. You need to make a choice. Okay? Yeah, you're thinking about it big time. Yeah. There is also coldness in the situation. No interaction. Yeah, the Magician. You're thinking of parang gusto mong ayusin, okay? Makipag-communicate sa person na to. Okay? Gusto mo siya smooth talk or sweet talk. Yeah. Maybe you, Aquarius, is a smooth talker. So, parang iniisip mo ngayon ang iyong sitwasyon, Aquarius, kung paano maging posible ang ganitong sitwasyon. Okay? Dealing with two people or two situation and kailangan mong mag-decide. The Wheel. Tingnan natin the Wheel. Yeah, King of Wands. 5 of Wands. Yeah. You need to move forward, Aquarius. Okay? In your situation. Maybe you are fated to see this person or to meet this person, no? Okay? But it's not going to be a smooth situation. There will be conflicts. Yeah. Okay? You need to move forward, most especially in your work. You need to focus, okay? Because this situation is like 5 of Wands, panggulo sa inyong work or sa inyong dreams, distraction sa inyong goals. Okay? So you need to release yourself from this situation. Aquarius. Okay? Tingnan natin, hidden truths from your person, Aquarius. Aquarius, hidden truths from your person. Just being near you is intoxicating, okay? You speak to me through music. So many things remind me of you. Okay. Message. Love message for Aquarius. Aquarius. Oops. Transformation. Your relationship with one another is about to deepen. Love conquers and transforms all things. Okay. Meron pang isa, forgiveness. Stop focusing your energy on past events, for life is too precious to waste. You create your reality by what you think, dream, and imagine. Okay. Just take what resonates for you, Aquarius. Okay. Maybe this is the other way around or baliktad sitwasyon. Take what resonates and leave the rest, yung hindi para sa inyo. Okay. So, these are the messages for you. Maraming salamat sa inyo and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!